What's going on, everyone? So, is weed legal in Bali? Absolutely not. Bali has some of the strictest drug laws in the entire world, and there are no signs of that changing anytime soon. This is critical information, especially if you're a tourist planning to visit. Cannabis is completely illegal in Bali and all of Indonesia. There's no recreational use, no medical program, nothing. Under Indonesia's narcotics law number 35 of 2009, cannabis is classified as a type 1 narcotic, putting it in the same category as heroin and cocaine. The government considers it to have high abuse potential and zero medical benefit. Here's what you need to know about the penalties. For simple use, you're looking at up to 4 years in prison. For possession, it jumps to 4 to 12 years in prison, plus fines up to 8 billion rupiah, which is around $500,000 USD. For trafficking, distribution, or importing cannabis, you could face 15 years to life in prison, and in extreme cases involving more than 1 kilogram, you could face the death penalty. Yes, they still execute people for drug trafficking in Indonesia. And here's the thing tourists mess up on constantly. CBD is also illegal. Hemp is illegal. Edibles are illegal. There is no legal distinction between THC and CBD in Indonesia. In July 2025, an Australian tourist was detained at Bali's airport for several days just for having prescription marijuana in flower form. It doesn't matter if it's legal where you're from or if you have a medical card. Indonesia does not recognize foreign prescriptions for cannabis. Police in Bali also conduct random urine tests in nightlife areas. If drugs show up in your system, even if you consumed them in another country before arriving, you can be arrested. There was some hope for reform back in 2020 when mothers of children with cerebral palsy petitioned Indonesia's constitutional court to allow medical cannabis. The court rejected it. While they acknowledged more research is needed, the prohibition stands firm. Unlike neighboring Thailand, which briefly opened up cannabis laws, Indonesia has shown zero intention of following that path. Advocacy groups like Lingkar Ganja Nusantara continue pushing for change, but politically, nothing is moving. So, the bottom line for anyone visiting Bali, do not bring any cannabis products into the country, do not try to buy any while you're there, and do not assume the laws are relaxed just because it's a tourist destination. The consequences can be life